Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, October 22nd of 2019. Here are some morning announcements for today. For our birthdays to announce, we have one birthday, Allison Shadle. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great day. We do have our lunch choices. We have different ones today for lunch choices. So we have Beefy Mac with Cheez-Its, chicken sandwich, and Minnie Mouse salad. I have no idea what Minnie Mouse salad is. All I can hope is that Minnie Mouse is not in the salad. That would be very, very gross. So good luck on your lunch choices for today. So our pause expectations are an oldie but a goodie, so it's brought us back to our 4th grade students and Miss Foltz's class.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, so please make sure you're paying special attention to what they have to say for today for our pause.
Don't talk out of turn. Always listen to your teachers. Make sure you're behaving in class.
All great things. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys, and everybody have a great day today. Have a wonderful Tuesday. I'll be looking for all those great paw behaviors that everybody will be doing in the hallways and especially in the cafeteria and at recess today. Have a wonderful day.